Good morning and happy Thursday. Your last learning day of the week. Tomorrow's a catch-up day, so if you need to finish anything from today or any of the other days, tomorrow will be your day to do that. Our deep hope, you can say it with me wherever you're at, is to identify, imitate, and celebrate Christ's characteristics together. I miss saying that together as a class. All right, math. Today, problem-solving strategy is make a table. So some of you showed me exactly how to do this on Learning Packet 3, so making a table from a little while ago. But I want to go over what that's going to look like again. So problem-solving, make a table. All right, the question says, the breakfast special at Darla's Diner comes with 3 pancakes. 5 friends order the breakfast special. How many pancakes will they receive in all? So go back, underline what you know. Okay, I know that Darla's Diner's breakfast special comes with 3 pancakes. 5 of the friends order that special, and then I'm going to circle how many pancakes will they receive in all. Okay, so I did my understand. How will I solve the problem? Well, I know today I'm going to make a table. So it tells us make a table. So what I'm going to do is I am going to start with how many friends I know ordered this pancake special, and there are 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that is how I'm going to start my table. Remember, you can do your table vertical or horizontal. I'm doing horizontal, but you can also do it vertically. But I'm going to think, okay, so friend number 1 ordered the pancake special. How many pancakes did that friend get? Well, 3. Okay, now I'm going to add on. Now there are 2 people. So the first one ordered, now the second person ordered. 3, what are we going to add each time? 3. So this will be 6. 3. So this is the third person ordered the breakfast special. Remember, I want to figure out how many pancakes will they receive in all. Okay? So far I know there's going to be 6, but there's more than that because there are 5 friends. So now this is the third person to order. Remember, what are we counting by? 3s. 3, 6, 9. Okay, and I'm going to have you finish that off. All right, so making a table, you're going to do the same. Every single one of these today, you're going to make tables for. That's the strategy you are going to use. So don't forget that. All right, let's see what is next on your list of things for today. Lima bean experiment. Keep observing. What has changed since you did it on Monday? What has changed since yesterday? Sometimes there can be really big changes in a short amount of time. Social studies, again, complete 2 more pages in your math book or a Scholastic News Weekly Reader. See where you're at with that. Some of you might be finishing those up. Great. So you can skip that if you are. Reread Treasure Story Music of the Stone Age on pages 370 through 373. Today for writing. All right, you are going to do Enthusiastic Fan. It's on page 146 in your purple journal. What we want you to do is think about something you're enthusiastic about. What is something that you are just an enthusiastic fan about? Hockey, swimming, dance, okay? There are lots of things. Maybe it's drawing. Maybe it's reading. Maybe it is board games. So think about what it is that you are just enthusiastic about. Then write at least 6 sentences about that topic. 6. You got this. Not a problem. Describe it. Explain it. Tell us how you feel when you are doing this thing. So think about that. For example, if I'm a fan of hockey, I could explain more about hockey equipment, explain some hockey terms, plays, and tell about my favorite hockey team and players. Okay? I love reading your enthusiastic fan pattern books. All right, grammar. You're going to actually do 2 grammar sheets today. The first one, this is tricky stuff. We went over this before in the year, but it is tricky. It's possessive nouns, plural possessive nouns, okay? So when we talk about the example they give us, look at one boy's painting. Look at where the apostrophe is before the S, because there's just one boy. Look at the 2 boys' paintings. 2 boys, which means the apostrophe is after the S. It is tricky. It just takes a lot of brain power. So find the mistakes in all 5 of the sentences. but you only need to rewrite 2 of the sentences correctly. All right, and the same with page 139, okay? Underline the correct adjective and add apostrophes in all 5 sentences. So number 1 says, Tim's painting is the bigger of the 5, or Tim's painting is the biggest of the 5. You're going to circle which one, or does it say underline? Underline the correct adjective, bigger or biggest, and then you're going to go back and you're going to find that plural possessive or singular possessive, okay? Tim's painting, decide. Where's the apostrophe going to go? Before the S or after the S? Is there one Tim? Or are there lots of Tims? Okay. Spelling. Complete your last spelling test of 2nd grade and then celebrate. It is awesome. I'm proud of you guys. Keep working hard. We're almost finished. Bible. You're going to do Ruth 1, verse 16. You can fill in the blank or send me a video. I would love to hear you and see you. And today you're going to read through a summary of the rest of Paul's missionary journey. Paul helped further the kingdom of God in big ways. You can continue reading about his journeys in the book of Acts, which I said yesterday, if you would like to at home. So keep learning about Paul. He was God's hands and feet, and he is a great role model for us today. Enjoy your Thursday.